Ora. Hi, my name is Madi.
And welcome to WINTON School. I'm Chloe. Welcome to the N.E.W.S news for our Madi, the 6th of November.
Okay, let's get into Te Kupu or Te Wiki. This week's word is hiamoe,
which is te reo for sleepy, as in Katie hiamoe ahau. I'm sleepy.
Yeah, well, wakey, we've got touch after school.
Yes, I'll have to check the notice board for when and where I'm playing.
Alright, it's great seeing so many students with their Hi Viz vests on. Keep up the good work.
And a reminder this term to always wear your sunhats at playtimes and lunchtimes.
Anyone not seen wearing their hat will stay in the shade in the junior lunch area. Thank you.
Now, if you miss any notices, you can play the news again or read all the notices in the text box below.
Okay, Slurpers are on sale today by the barbecue. $1 each, wrappers in the bin. Kia ora.
School council news. You have your usual meeting this week. Thank you.
Being Ngā Mere, the library is open today for returns, browsing and issues.
Winton's got talent news. Any competitors who didn't make it to yesterday's meeting, please see Mr. W in the library at interval.
Competitors who are swimming, don't worry, we'll get the notices to you.
Okay, birthday news. None went to school today.
But Annika Crawford turns 7 tomorrow.
And on Sunday, Caitlin McWhirter turns 10.
Also on Sunday, Alex Hart turns 8.
And Peyton Hayward turns 6.
Happy birthday, everyone. Rafano Kia Koto.
Okay, that's all for us today from everyone here at the N.E.W.S team. Ka kite a te Wiki.
Stay sharp and hide at our WINTON School.